Welcome, in front of me is a Denver SDQ, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. Now to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and find the hotspot toggle, which is right over here. Hold it, and this will take us to the settings where we can change, number one, the hotspot password. So let's go set up Wi-Fi hotspot. Tap over here where you see the password section, remove whatever random password set by default, and then put your own. Now I'm gonna use something simple. It needs to have at least 8 characters in length. Then you can also change the network name if you wish to, or you can keep it as it is, it doesn't really matter. Then you have AP band. Now I don't really have a choice here, so I'm not sure why it's giving me the drop down even. And then last thing you can change is the maximum amount of connected users. So this is completely up to you how many people can connect. And once you're satisfied, tap on save. You can leave this place and then tap on the toggle itself to enable your Wi-Fi. And as you can see, there it is now enabled, giving us that tethering hotspot is active, 0 connected and 0 blocked. And once you're done with it, simply tap on it once more to disable it. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.